Hey guys, welcome to the first video on OpenCV tutorial for beginners using Python. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief introduction about OpenCV. But first of all, let's see what is computer vision, because OpenCV is an open source computer vision library. So computer vision is the way of teaching intelligence to machines and making them see things just like humans. So what happens when a human sees an image? He will be able to recognize the faces which are there inside the images. So in its simplest form, computer vision is what allows computers to see and process visual data just like humans. Computer vision involves analyzing images to produce useful information. So to give you some examples, a self-driving car, it can detect the lanes using computer vision. Or you might have wondered how Facebook detects images when you upload the images of you with your friends. It becomes possible by Facebook's face and image recognition technology. So now let's see what is OpenCV. So OpenCV, which stands for Open Source Computer Vision, is a library of programming functions mainly aimed at real-time computer vision. It is originally developed by Intel, and then it was later supported by a developer called Willow Garage, and now it is supported and maintained by ITCs. Now OpenCV is available on Mac, Windows and various Linux operating systems. So we can say that OpenCV is a cross-platform library. Now you can work on OpenCV using C, C++ or Python, and we will be using Python to learn OpenCV. Now OpenCV is an open source and free library which is licensed under BSD license. And it's said that it is very easy to use and install. That we will see when we will install OpenCV on various operating systems. Now because OpenCV primarily deals with computer vision, that means dealing with mainly images or videos, so I wanted to show you how a digital image is seen by a computer. So digital images are typically stored in the form of matrix. Now if you have heard about PPI or pixel per inch, which refers display resolution, that means how many individual pixels are displayed in 1 inch of digital image. So when a computer sees a picture, it sees it in the form of pixel matrix. Now there are two types of digital images. One are called grayscale images and other are called colored images. So in grayscale images, each pixel represents the intensity of only one shade. That means how bright or dark the pixel is. In other words, it is said that it has only one channel. So on the right hand side, you can see a grayscale image, and on the left hand side, you can see a colored image. So in colored images, we have three channels, that is RGB, which stands for red, green, blue. So grayscale images have one channel and colored images have three channels. Your standard digital camera have three channels, that means red, green, blue channels. So we will learn more about images and how we can process images using OpenCV in the later videos. Now there is one more thing which I want to show you is NumPy. So we are going to learn OpenCV using Python. So when you will install OpenCV library for Python on your operating system, NumPy will be automatically installed with this library. So first of all, what is NumPy? So NumPy is a highly optimized library for numerical operations. Now as I told you, digital images are 2D arrays of pixels, and NumPy library is a general purpose array processing package library. So it provides a high performance multi-dimensional array object and tools for working with these arrays, which makes the processing of images easier. Now all the OpenCV array structures are converted to and converted from NumPy arrays. And in addition, you can use more convenient indexing system rather than using for loops. So when you want to learn OpenCV using Python, you need to have some knowledge about NumPy also. So if you have some knowledge of NumPy library, it's good, but don't worry, I will teach you step by step so you will not miss anything. So that was a brief introduction about computer vision and OpenCV. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can install Python OpenCV library, and then we will see how we can work with this OpenCV library. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video.